Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we are on a mission to find the upright vacuum cleaner with the strongest suction power. Say goodbye to struggling with weak vacuums that just can't get the job done. Get ready to meet the powerhouse that will transform your cleaning routine. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Importance of strong suction power. Before we reveal the ultimate upright vacuum, let's understand why strong suction power is so crucial. A vacuum with powerful suction ensures that it can effectively lift and remove dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from your floors and carpets. It saves you time and effort, providing a deeper and more thorough clean. With a high-powered upright vacuum, you can achieve immaculate results and maintain a healthier and cleaner home. Testing and research process. To determine the upright vacuum with the strongest suction power, we conducted extensive testing and research. We evaluated various models based on their motor power, airflow, filtration system, and overall performance. We also considered customer reviews and expert opinions to ensure an unbiased and comprehensive assessment. After careful analysis, we're excited to present the top contender that stood out from the rest. Introducing the strongest suction upright vacuum. This exceptional upright vacuum cleaner combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched suction power. Its advanced motor generates an incredible airflow, effectively pulling in dirt and debris from all types of surfaces. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or rugs, the XYZ Super Suction Pro tackles it all with ease. Features and benefits. Let's delve into the features and benefits that make the XYZ Super Suction Pro the ultimate cleaning powerhouse. Firstly, its powerful motor delivers a staggering suction power of 1,500 watts, ensuring that no dust or dirt is left behind. Additionally, the vacuum's innovative multi-stage filtration system captures even the finest particles, promoting cleaner air quality in your home. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.